So when I first kept this name, it was never supposed to stay for this long, and my intent was not to get famous and for people to know me as the rebel kid. I just was a rebel at my house. I grew up in a pretty strict family. My dad was very strict. He would not let me go out in short clothes. He would not let me talk to boys. मेरे को आज तक कभी होली नहीं सेलिब्रेट करने दी पापा ने जब तक मैं घर पे थी, because of course there are so many security issues also with a festival like Holi, and I know that he comes from a nice place, but I'm just कभी नाइट आउट पे नहीं जाने देते थे, कभी ट्रिप्स पे नहीं जाने देते थे. तो when I entered college, um, of course college में तो तुम्हें हवा लग जाती है, plus it's an engineering college, it's away from home. So I was doing everything that I wanted to do. I was traveling with my boyfriend at the time, I was traveling with my friends, I was going out on night outs, I was going clubbing, I was wearing whatever I wanted to do. And my boyfriend at the time was like, bro, tu to full rebel hai. And I think it kind of stuck with me, because there are only two kinds of children that strict parents raise. One that really, get submissive and listen to their parents and are just, good children, a perfect child in a perfect world that most parents want. And then there are others who rebel and do whatever they want, and their parents are always pissed at them, but at least they get to live the life that they want. So I was kind of the rebel kind. And so when my dad saw that I'm doing good for myself, and he saw people come up to me for pictures, and he saw that, in like at least being street smart kind of a way, I do know a lot of things that he may or may not know. धीरे धीरे करके he started opening up to the idea of the life that I am living. अभी भी I know for a fact that he's not 100% okay with the things that I do, with the things that I post, with the things that I wear. But वो भी नहीं बोलते हैं अब. He's also like कि इसको समझ आ जाएगा. Like when I made my relationship public, he was very against it, but he didn't say anything. And when it ended, he was like, so now have we learned our lesson? So it doesn't come from a place of, oh, I have to school my child, but from actually a place of, oh, my child knows, she'll learn, I've seen her learn, and I trust her. So at least there's this trust that has built, and I'm really grateful for it.